Hello, honey. I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you on my channel. Today we're gonna draw a cute princess Nomin from my coloring book. You and your parents can download and print a free first edition on my coloring page. The link in the description under the video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Nanny Julie. Now we will need any paper, a pencil, an eraser, and something with which you will color. Now let's look at the picture. We can see head, hair, crown, ears, dress, and arms. Now let's start drawing. The first step we are gonna draw is the head. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here at the top of the paper. Draw a circle. Come around, come back, up to the top and connect it. Then we're gonna draw the ears. C shape on the left side and backwards C shape on the right side. That's right, keep on trying. Then we're gonna draw a hair. I start over here on the left side and draw 4 backwards G shape in a row diagonally to the right to the ear. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 2 curves to the left over here. Let's count. 1, 2. Okay, you're doing great. Now let's draw the eyes. 2 dots inside the head. The first and the second. Use shape in the middle for smile. And backwards small C shape between the eyes. Wow, I like your line. Keep it up. Our Nomin has roses in her cheeks. Draw ovals or circles on both sides under the eyes. The first and the second. Then let's draw the earrings. Circles on both sides in the ears. Then vertical line, the first and the second. Triangle in the ends, the first and the second, and 3 arcs over here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're doing great. Then let's draw 3 ovals over here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you're doing great. Then let's draw a crown. 2 diagonal lines at the top of the head. Then let's connect these ends with zigzag. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. And connect. Now let's draw the top of her hair. Draw 5 curves from the left to the right. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then let's draw her neck. We're gonna draw 2 short lines underneath her head. The first and the second. Then let's draw the top of her dress. V shape over here underneath her neck. Then 2 small curves on both sides over here. The first and the second. And another V shape over here. Oh, you're doing great! Then 2 small horizontal lines on both sides. for shoulders, 2 vertical lines on both sides, and connect these ends here and here. That's the way! I like your lines! Now let's draw the bottom of her dress. Draw a curve on the left side and the same thing on the right side and connect them. Then from the middle of the waist, we draw a curve to the left to the border of the dress. Then small C shape over here. And from the waist, draw a curve down to this C shape. And the same thing on the right side. From the middle of the waist, we draw a curve to the right to the border of the dress. Then a small backward C shape down. And from the waist, draw a curve down to this backward C shape. Now it's time for her arms. Draw 3 curves on the left side. Let's count 1, 2, 3. Then 2 diagonal lines. Connect them here and oval for palm. Then let's draw the same step on the right side. 3 curves, 2 diagonal lines. Connect them here and oval for palm. That's the way! You're doing great! Now let's add some details for Princess Nomin. We're gonna draw the pattern of the dress. Spirals on the top of the skirt. They are distributed randomly. Draw as you like, or you can create your own pattern on the dress. Then draw flowers on the bottom of the dress. Draw 9 vertical lines of different length. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Look, they are all different lengths. Then let's draw a triangle and 3 arcs for petals at each end of these stem lines. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And ovals for leaves on both sides. That's the way to go! We did it! You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram, Boosty or Facebook. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie art. Also, you and your parents can download and print a free first edition on my coloring page. The link in the description under the video. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. I choose brown for hair. You can choose any color you like. The first step is tracing. Then coloring inside. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then coloring inside again. If you missed a spot, fill it in with color. Okay, then I choose pink for blush. I choose red and blue, dark blue for dress. Tracing again. Then coloring inside. Tracing again. And coloring inside. Don't forget, try to stay inside the lines. And my flowers will be blue too. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Green for plants. Green for leaves. Try to stay inside the lines. Subscribe to my channel and you won't miss my new lessons. Oh, you're doing great! I like your dress! Oh, I forgot to color this flower. Then I choose, this part. Okay, red for dress. Wow, I like your Princess Namin. You can be super proud of your drawing. I hope you had a lot of fun coloring and drawing with me. Try my other videos, YouTube channel, Nanny Julie. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you. Bye bye.